Hello everyone, welcome to the session on this channel. So today we'll be discussing the degree of hydrogen, which is a very important topic. So the degree of amine, the degree of alcohol, the degree of carbon are all important, equally important, because these will be used further in the organic chemistry. So let's start without wasting any more time. So, like in the previous sessions, in this session also, I'll be explaining you the degree of hydrogen through an example. So, when we were discussing the degree of carbon, you may remember that I have taken this example. So, if you didn't attended my last three lectures, so you must attend, which are very useful for making your basics strong. So, okay, let's start. So now tell me, what is the degree of this carbon? Obviously 1, right? What is the degree of this carbon? It's 3. Degree of this carbon is 2, and the degree of this carbon is 4. We have discussed the degree of carbon in the previous lecture, so we'll move little faster. Now, what is the degree of hydrogen? So the first point is, the degree of hydrogen is defined only when it is attached to carbon. If it is attached, if the compound is like this, H2O, then we cannot define the degree of hydrogen. So it is only defined when it is directly attached to carbon. The second point is, the degree of hydrogen is same as the degree of carbon to which it is directly attached. Now, here how many carbons are there? What is this carbon? It is CH3, right? So the 3 hydrogens would have degree 1 because these hydrogens are attached directly to the carbon which is having degree 1. So remember, the degree of hydrogen is same as the degree of carbon to which it is directly attached, right? And here we have CH. CH. So here this hydrogen would have degree of 3. Why? Why? Because the degree of hydrogen is same as the degree of carbon to which it is directly attached. This carbon to which it is directly attached is having a degree of 3. And here we have CH2. And these two hydrogens have a degree of 2. And here we have only carbon. So one point which you must note is, 4 degree hydrogen is not possible in any case. So 4 degree carbon is not possible at all. Why? Because if carbon is having a degree of 4, that means it already has 4 bonds. It already have done 4 bonds. Then from where the hydrogen can come? So hydrogen cannot make a bond, right? It is already it already done its 4 bonds. So 4 degree hydrogen is not possible, right? Now let's do some examples. So here we have 2 hydrogens. What are the degree of this hydrogen? Is 1. Why? Because this carbon is directly attached to one carbon, and this carbon is having a degree of 1, and this hydrogens will automatically have the degree of 1. And I repeat the definition of degree of hydrogen, that is, degree of hydrogen is same as the degree of carbon to which it is directly attached. So this is a very important point, you may note it. So here also we have carbons, right? What and we also have hydrogens here. What these hydrogens present here have degree. So what is the degree of the hydrogens present here? That is 1. And here 1, and here also it's 1. So degree of hydrogen is very easy. And one last example, an interesting one. So it's very easy. You don't need much practice, but you have to revise, otherwise you'll forget these. Very easy, but you must revise frequently so that you may remember the degree. So what is the degree of these all hydrogens? Tell me. The degree of hydrogens present here, these 4 hydrogens have a degree of 1 because that carbon to which the hydrogen is directly attached have a degree 1. So the hydrogens will also have a degree 1. And it's 1. So you may confuse that it's 10. And this hydrogens have a degree 2. Right? So degree of hydrogen is very simple as degree of carbon, amine, alcohol. So finding degree is very easy of either carbon, hydrogen, alcohol or amine. But the thing you must do is revise frequently so that you may never forget. So that's all for today. We have completed the series of degree of carbon, hydrogen, alcohol and amine. So revise these frequently and keep practicing. Till then, bye.